Hi, this is Dave from YourPST Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to create another partition on your hard drive in Windows 11 or 10. And let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do, open up your Start menu and type in Partition. You should see Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. You'll want to go ahead and open that up. You will be greeted with a list of all of your drives. For this, I'm going to use my C drive. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to pick Shrink Volume and wait for that to go through. Now I'm going to make a 6,000 megabyte partition. And as you can see, we have our new partition. It does not have anything on it yet though, so we'll right click on it, click New Simple Volume, and then go to Next. You can select the drive letter you want it to be, or you can not assign one at all. I'm going to ignore this option for now. And you can select whether you want to format it or not and how you want to format it. I'm going to name this data or data, depending on how you say it. And I'm going to keep the perform a quick format checked. Click Next. You'll be greeted with all the options that you made. Click Finish. And as you can see, here's my new drive. If I go into my computer, I can see I have a new drive that is 6,000 megabytes of space. Now, if you don't want that drive anymore, you can right click on it. You can click Delete Volume. Click Yes to confirm you want to delete the volume. Once the volume is deleted, then you can click Delete Partition. And you'll want to click Yes again. And then once you're done with that, you can right click on your C drive and click Extend Volume. Instead of Shrink this time, we're going to click Extend. Next. It already has all the free space available selected, so I'm going to go ahead and go next again. Click Finish. And now we are back to normal. If I go back to my computer, you will see we no longer have that drive. And that's it. Very simple. Hope that helps you out. If you learned something, hit like, hit subscribe, share it with other people, and check back later for more awesome content. Thank you.